Hey, it's Brandon from Cointelli. We put this video together so that you can see a little bit about how we process and handle NFTs on Cointelli.com. It's really simple, just a couple of steps. First, we need to import. So I'm going to import my Ethereum wallet. You just type it into the chat. We got our Ethereum. And then you need your address, of course. So you just paste that in where it says auto import and then import. Mine should take a couple of seconds. It can take maybe up to a few minutes if you have a lot of transactions. But this one should only take a few seconds. Okay, so it imported 141 transactions. So let's take a look at our NFTs in here and I'll show you how it works. So here we have it. Let's just sort. I have my example here with Azuki 1828. All right, so here's a great example. We paid 12.5 ETH for Azuki 1828 in January, the end of January. And then a short while later, we sold off the Azuki 1828 for 14.8 Ethereum. Now, what we do is we calculate the cost basis using the price of the Ethereum that you use to pay for the NFT at that time, as you can see here, right? And then we do the same thing when we calculate the proceeds from your NFT sale, right? Of course, factoring in any, gas fees and costs as well. And so that's exactly what we do in order to calculate your NFT taxes. It goes through the system like that. And then you can go, obviously you want to do your manual review, but then you can go ahead and get your report. Now, this is something that only Cointelli and maybe one other software are actually able to do. Cointelli has the most sophisticated processing to date, and we are very proud of it. And we really are going to do our best to make sure that we are always number one, that we always have the most updated technology, most updated algorithms, so that you can get the most accurate reports every single time, every single year. That's our promise to you. So here we go. And then there it is. So looks like I have credited for 2021. Yeah, you can see that it was able to calculate the gains. This is the end of our video. I hope that this was helpful to you. If you want to see some more crypto tax content, crypto tax tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment anytime. We're always happy to answer your questions. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.